I bet you didn't know that a single coin could revolutionize finance. Meet PERA, your gateway to a universal currency. PERA is not just another cryptocurrency, it's a movement. Imagine a world where cross-border transactions are seamless, secure, and lightning fast. Built on cutting-edge blockchain technology, PERA offers just that and more. With universal accessibility, PERA democratizes finance for everyone, removing barriers and intermediaries. It's all about inclusivity and ease of use, worried about security. PERA's state-of-the-art encryption and decentralized infrastructure keep your assets safe and tamper-proof, and let's talk sustainability. PERA leverages a sustainable blockchain model, minimizing energy consumption while maintaining high-speed performance. It's eco-friendly and scalable, plus with governance and staking rewards, PERA holders have a say in the ecosystem's future and can earn passive income. It's about growing together. Join us on this exciting journey. Welcome to the future of global currency. Welcome to PERA.